I've got an orange jacket on this month because we've gone slightly undercover. We're here at the Bailey factory on the outskirts of Bristol. We've been given a sneaky look at the next generation of the advanced range of motorhomes from Bailey. 6 new models. We're going to look at one of them, the 74-2. Bailey like to build their vehicles in a pretty sort of tough way. They've proved them over the miles in different countries. So you've got things like with the Alco chassis, there are outriggers, just adds extra stability and strength to the whole vehicle. It's something that's been proven by part of their crash testing program as well. Elsewhere, it's GRP clad bodywork, curves at the back. There's a panel at the back that looks distinctly like it's come from a Bailey caravan range, but it adds to the curves, adds to the look. It's a tough competitor. Now, we've been for a short spin in this vehicle already. Truth be told, there's nothing really new to report. It's the standard 130 brake horsepower engine with 6-speed manual transmission. A great coupling for this sort of vehicle, sure enough. Unfortunately, no engine upgrade in terms of power and still no sign of any automatic transmission from the options list. There are, though, several upgrades to the cab itself, thanks to Bailey. Air conditioning is now standard, as are twin airbags, as is cruise control, and it's a digital stereo radio with Bluetooth connectivity. Here we are in daytime mode. Up the front, a lounge, capable of seating anything up to 6 people, I'd say, but bear in mind this is a 2-berth only, and you've got a really large table to play with at meal times. Lots of daylight gets in, that's thanks to the opening sunroof over the cab, as well as a midi roof light directly above the seating. Nice comfort, nice daylight, good lighting all round. Now, this is what this Advance is all about. It's this island bed at the back, and if you think it looks a little bit on the short side, this is the proper nighttime setting. So it's full size, and beauty of it is there's just enough room to get around if you want to get in and out at night as well without disturbing your partner. There's ambient lighting as well as direct lighting that's dimmable, overhead lockers, small roof light overhead as well, and some good cupboard storage, come wardrobes either side of the bed, and carpet underfoot, little storage centre here, and it's set up in this corner for watching TV. Now, this is a handy little kitchen. It's got a Thetford triplex cooker, so 3 rings on the hob, one larger than the other 2. A combined oven and grill directly underneath. Dometic fridge with a removable freezer box. The sink is a decent size as well. By decent, I mean it's not too big and not too small. Microwave oven is now standard in all Advances. Also, new worktop, and there's a handy worktop extension here as well. So, as I say, it's a real handy little kitchen, this. It is a little bit cramped in this washroom. Sure enough, it does have a swivel bowl toilet and a fixed basin. And then for showering, you're using the whole compartment, thanks to this rather clingy curtain, I'm afraid. It's properly lined on the shower side though, and there's decent storage with this upper level locker with a shelf in it, and there's the toothbrush mug holder. So yeah, it is a little bit tight in this washroom, but all the facilities are here. There are lots of good little details in this Advance. A handy ledge as you come in at the doorway, a larger than average step as well. So much easier when you just want to wipe your feet on the way in and then hang up your coat. Some of the reading lights here have USB sockets, and things like the locker doors are particularly easy to use. Large in size with just the one positive catch. All really good. So there we have it then, the Advance 74-2, one of 6 new models, and I'm a feeling this is going to be very, very popular.